Part 37. Electric motors, AC. Single phase AC motors and 3-phase AC motors. Number 1. Commutator type motors. Number 1. Commutator universal type motors, AC and DC line. Discuss L-31. Repulsion type motors. A. Repulsion plane motor, discussed L-32. Repulsion induction motor, discussed L-33. And repulsion start induction motor, discussed L-34. Number 2. Synchronous type motors. A. Permanent magnet motor, discussed L-35. Serrated pole motor, discussed L-36. C. Hysteresis motors, now discussed. And D. Reluctance motor. And number 3. Induction type motor. Squirrel cage induction motor, squirrel cage single and double cage. And other B. Wound rotor or sleeping motor. Now discuss C. Synchronous motors. Number 2. C. Hysteresis motors. Hysteresis motors as synchronous load which can accelerate whatever may be the load inertia which mechanical torque is produced by the effect of hysteresis. The hysteresis motor is fractional horsepower. The hysteresis motor effect is magnified, making the rotor especially chrome steel non-magnetic material, and also rotor upper side fitted hysteresis ring as magnetic material. Instead of this silicon steel lamination rotor, the rotor has no teeth or winding, which make the motor in operation without any mechanical and magnetic vibration and noiseless characteristics, and synchronizing capacity and heavy inertia. The motor made is very small sizes and used for high quality record player, timing device, teleprinter, electric clock, etc. Here discuss hysteresis motor diagram. Here this is the hysteresis motor diagram. This is the non-magnetic material, chrome steel. Here RNM, the rotor non-magnetic material. This is the S shaft. This is the HR, hysteresis ring as a magnetic material. This is the air gap between yoke and rotor. This is the air gap. This the main winding and 2, and another 2 is auxiliary winding. Here this is the connected. This is a yoke. The yoke Y. Yoke. The main winding. This is the main winding, and auxiliary winding. This is connected. Is the common. Is a N or P, any, and main another coil lead is out here, and here auxiliary coil and main coil in between center of centrifugal switch. Here is the P is equal to positive in a phase, and P is equal to phase, and N is equal to neutral. Here this is the motor is motion, is the centrifugal switch is the card, the auxiliary coil, and this is the main winding is run. Totally motor is here is connected. M is equal to main winding and A is equal to auxiliary winding. In center this is a rotor. This is a rotor in center of a shaft. The rotor is a non-metallic material. The ring as a ring, hysteresis ring, hysteresis ring here, and this is a chrome steel non-magnetic material. The HR hysteresis ring is a magnetic material. This is in between yoke and rotor. This is the air gap here, and yoke. This is a totally diagram as shown here is the hysteresis motors.